Dear learners, how are you? I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am here to take the class of class 8, subject English first paper. Let's start our class. Before starting the class, let us watch and observe some images. What is this? This is a writing on a stone. What is this? This is a writing on bark. And this is writing on a slate. Now we write on papers. Written records. So our today's lesson is paper has advanced our life. Unit 9, lesson 6. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read aloud texts with proper sounds, stress and intonation, write answers to the questions, write a short paragraph. Key words of the lesson. That means some vocabularies from the passage. Record. Record means evidence or documentation. Give me the records of your information. Surface. Under. Meaning outward or upper portion. Surface water of the river is not clean. Stone, rock or pebbles. Bark. Bark means skin of the tree or surface of the tree. In Bengali, it is called bakal. There is no tree without bark. Encyclopedia means written records of the world. Wood plank. People wrote on wood plank in ancient time. Digital. Digital means to the point, real, actual or perfect. But what does it need? It needs written records. How did people transfer ideas in ancient time? Speaking and listening. People transferred ideas in ancient time by speaking and listening. Then, writing. Was it very easy? No, because writing materials was not available. What did people write then on? People wrote then on stone, metal, wood, and bark. That means people of ancient time wrote on stone, metal, wood, and bark. And leaves also. Knowledge was very restricted before paper age. It is easy, very easy to carry a book of 100 pages. But is it at all easy to carry a book of 100 pieces of stone? For this problem, people looked for easy writing materials for ages. Finally, paper was invented in China in 105 AD. We can keep all our records in the papers now. In fact, paper has changed our life. But in modern age, where are we staying? To think we become very excited because of we can carry the entire world of knowledge in a digital form in our laptops, mobiles, and memory cards. So, read the text silently and answer the following questions. Number one, how did people transfer ideas before writing was invented? Before writing was invented, people exchanged ideas through speaking and listening. Number two, why did people look for easy writing materials? People looked for easy writing materials because the traditional writing materials of the days were heavy and difficult to carry and use. Number three, why was knowledge very restricted in pre-paper age? In the pre-paper age, writing material was not available, thus it was difficult to record thoughts. For this reason, knowledge was very restricted in the pre-paper age. Number four, how has paper changed our life? Paper has made publication and the spread of knowledge and information easy, and thus paper has changed our life. Number five, where and when was paper invented? Paper was invented in China in 105 AD. Okay, I think you have understood the lesson clearly. So I am giving you some homework. You will read the passages from your EFT book and write some answers of the questions on your notebook. Okay, thanks. Thank you.